Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you are here today. Today, we are talking about a problem that quietly hurts a lot of e commerce businesses, even the ones that look busy and successful from the outside. And that problem is this: too much stock, too little cash. The e commerce inventory trap. This is one of those things that can sneak up on a business owner. Sales are coming in, orders are moving, the business looks active, but the bank account still feels tight. And you start asking yourself, if we are selling, where is the cash going? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. So today, we want to talk about inventory. I want to walk you through why this happens, how to recognize it, and what to do about it. First, let me start with a simple story. Imagine an e commerce business owner whose sales are growing. She is excited, she sees momentum, she wants to stay prepared, she does not want to run out of stock. So she orders more inventory, then more inventory again, because in her mind she is thinking, I need to be ready. I do not want to miss sales. I want enough product for the next push. And all of that sounds smart. But here is what happens: a lot of her cash is now tied up in products that have not sold yet. So the business looks busy, but the cash is stuck. Now she feels pressure. She has inventory, but not enough available cash. That is the trap. And it happens to many e commerce business owners, not because they are doing something careless, but because inventory decisions are not just product decisions, they are cash decisions as well. Most business owners understand that running out of stock is bad, but many do not fully realize that too much stock can create a different kind of problem. When you buy too much inventory, your cash gets locked up. That means money that could have gone toward marketing, payroll, software, rent, or growth is now sitting in products that have not turned back into cash yet. And inventory is not the same as cash. That is such an important point. You cannot pay bills with shelves full of products. You cannot reduce stress just by knowing inventory is there. Inventory only helps when it sells at the right margin and turns back into cash fast enough to support the business. If that cycle slows down, cash gets tight very quickly. Now, let us be honest. Why does this happen so often? One big reason is fear. Business owners are afraid of stockouts. They do not want to lose sales. They do not want customers disappointed. Another reason is optimism. You expect demand to keep rising, so you order ahead. Another reason is supplier pressure. Sometimes larger orders come with better pricing or minimum order requirements. And another major reason is lack of visibility. A lot of business owners are looking at sales, but not deeply enough at cash flow timing, product movement, and how long their money is staying tied up. So, on the surface, revenue may look fine, but underneath, cash is getting squeezed. That is why some owners say we are selling, but it feels tight. Revenue is up, but it still feels stressed. I do not understand where the money is going. This is one of the biggest lessons I want to share today. More sales do not automatically mean more cash. You might pay for inventory today, You might pay shipping, storage, and operating costs today, but the cash return from the inventory may come later. And sometimes it comes slower than expected or at a lower margin than expected. So, yes, revenue may go up. But if money is going out faster than it is coming back in, the business still feels financially tight. That is why e commerce owners need to ask better questions, not just how much did we sell, but also how much cash did we actually keep? How long is our money tied up? Which products move fast? Which products move slowly? Are we buying based on real numbers or just pressure and hope? Those are the real questions that bring clarity. Three signs you may be stuck in your inventory trap. Let me give you these three quick signs. Number one, your sales look decent, but your bank account still feels tight. Number two, you keep restocking, but some products are moving much slower than expected. Number three, you are making purchasing decisions without a clear view of cash flow. If that is happening, there is a good chance inventory is putting pressure on your business. So, how to start fixing it? Now, let us talk about what to do. First, separate your best sellers from your slow movers. Not all inventory plays the same role in your business. Second, look at inventory through the lens of cash flow, not just sales. Do not just ask what is selling, ask how quickly cash is coming back. And third, forecast more carefully. Do not buy only from fear or excitement. Buy from data, timing, and real business capacity. Fourth, review your margins honestly. A product may be selling, but after all the cost, it may not be helping your cash position the way you think. And fifth, get financial visibility before making major purchasing decisions. This is where good bookkeeping, reporting, and cash flow forecasting makes a huge difference because better visibility leads to better decisions. So, if you take one thing away from today, let it be this: inventory is not just a product decision, it is a cash decision. And when too much cash gets tied up in stock, even a growing business can start feeling stuck. If that is something you are dealing with right now, you are not alone. A lot of e commerce business owners work hard, grow sales, and still feel pressure because cash is trapped in the wrong place. But once you can see the problem clearly, you can start making smarter decisions. You can protect cash, you can buy more intentionally, you can reduce stress, and you can build a healthier business. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Have you ever felt like sales were coming in but cash was still tight? And if you know another e commerce business owner who needs to hear this, share this live with them. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And if you want help understanding whether your inventory decisions are helping or hurting your cash flow, send me a message, book a call with me, and let me do a diagnosis for you. And then we will go from there. Thank you so much. Happy Thursday. Happy weekend. Have a great day.